Hey friends, at home here in Colorado, testing out a new product today. There's tons of snow on the ground here in our city as well as up in the mountains, which means many of you may be coming to Colorado for a little bit of skiing. You may have also heard of this product. This is the Boost Oxygen. It's a portable little oxygen container to give you, again, just a boost of extra breathing power. Maybe up here in Colorado where the altitude's really thin, oxygen's hard to come by. Now, one of the things to note is that the can is super light. It really doesn't feel like there's anything in here. And as you can see, they have a little label. The oxygen is weightless. Can is very, very light. Again, it's full, but it does feel like it's totally empty. So you can see that this is a 95% pure supplement of oxygen. It's convenient, lightweight, portable because it is in, again, a smaller case here. Now remember, this is just for a quick little boost. This is not going to be a replacement for some of those people that need actual portable oxygen containers wherever they go. So basically you're gonna have the trigger in the upright position. You're gonna put this over your mouth, pull the trigger to release the oxygen, and then take a nice deep breath. It says to repeat 3 to 5 times based off, again, how you are feeling. Whew. And it basically comes straight up at you. You can hear it release. You can suck deeply in. Let me do it one more time here. Yeah, again, it's a really, really neat experience. You definitely feel like you're getting something into your system. Okay, so that was just 2 hits of the oxygen. Got a lot more in here. Again, I'm not exactly sure how many of those hits that I just took I'd be able to get out of a single can like this. But again, if you're visiting Colorado, you're visiting high altitude environments, this might be a great thing just to have on hand in case you're feeling lightheaded, you want a little extra boost. Definitely a cool product, friends. We'll give it our thumbs up. Go check it out on Amazon. If this video has helped, stay tuned because we're making a ton more of these adventure product videos to help your shopping experience, to help you have a lot of fun out there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.